Yes, very good morning, students. So, this class is a continuation of the previous video, STDR introduction. Now, the continuation of STDR, the next one is difference between CDR and STDR. So, in the previous concept end, I have told you that in this video we are going to deal the difference between CDR and STDR and problems on STDR as well as merits and demerits of STDR. Now let us see the differences between CDR and STDR. Look at there. Each together we have 3. Now CDR. Here the population is used as weights. The total population what we are calculating in CDR, no, those are only nothing but weights in CDR. But in STDR, standard population is used as weights. While calculating CDR, total population we are calculating, right? We are not separating this is standard or this is standard like that. Total together, any n number of towns, population, or 2 different populations or 3 different populations, that overall total population, all total population only we are taking it in CDR. That whole total population itself is a weight in CDR. But where in STDR, we have to decide among n number of populations, standard population, we have to decide it. So standard population is used as weights. Here the whole total population is used as weights, but here particular town standard population or separate standard population, we are considering it as weights. So that is the first difference between CDR and STDR. The second one is CDR cannot be used for comparisons because it does not require, it does not consider the more information along with the age. Because age is also matters, because death rate particular age group, sometimes it will be higher and sometimes it will be very low. Clear? That means 0 to 9 years the death rate will be very casual, because of small silly health issues also may lead to death. But wherein 60 and above, wherein 20 plus, 15 plus, 30 plus, 40 plus, except unexpected deaths, so there will not be much casual deaths. Clear? But wherein after 60 or 70 age, when they become old, the old age people may die. Clear? So there also definitely the death rate would be higher, isn't it? So that kind of keen observation will not be done in CDR. That is the reason CDR cannot be used for comparisons. But wherein STDR, it can be used for comparisons because it requires more information. Standard population should be taken. We have to decide. Along with ASDR's calculation is needed. At the same time, the death rate also in terms of, attributable statement we are giving, whether which city is healthier or which city is not healthier, that way. So every information we are considering in STDR. That's the reason it can be used for comparisons. Among all the 3, CDR, ASDR and STDR, one and only method, STDR, has a chance of comparing the death rates of 2 or more populations, because it considers age, it considers individual specific death rate, it considers standard population as weights. At the same time, it decides the conclusion whether which city is healthier or not. So second point, cannot be used for comparison. CDR, STDR can be used for comparison. CDR, less information is required, and STDR, more information is required. So these are the 3 points, differences between CDR and STDR. Noted? So shall we go to the merits and demerits of STDR? Yes. Let us see the merits and demerits of STDR. Look at here, merits of STDR. It's a good measure of mortality, giving importance to age groups, obviously. So age, individual age specific death rates we are calculating, no, I mean particular age group we can identify, isn't it? So it is a very good measure of mortality for giving importance to age groups. At the same time, STDR is used for comparison, I mean comparing the death rates of two or more populations, different populations. Fine. So these are the two merits of STDR. Now what are the demerits? It requires a standard population and it's difficult to select the standard population. Generally, for CDR, for ASDR, standard population is not at all needed. Though we calculate CDR as well as ASDR. But only the drawback of CDR and ASDR is CDR overall we are taking it requires less information. Just blindly we are calculating total deaths by total population into 1000. Age bifurcation we are not doing. So because of that, we cannot consider that CDR is the best method of finding the rate of decreasing the deaths. Right? So now here, why we are calculating death rate? To find out which city is healthier. Clear? So for that we need a standard population of two or more populations. One population should be taken as a standard, that is a more weightage. It has a more weightage, standard population. So it requires standard population and it's difficult to select the standard population. That is a drawback. Because in the problem standard population they are giving directly, so we are calculating it. But practically, lively, if you are collecting the data, deciding this population is standard to calculate the mortality rate, it is very, very difficult, time taking process, right? Number 3, it is dependent on the age structure of the standard population. Yes, obviously. So without ASDR, can STDR be computed? We cannot. So ASDRs are very much required. Clear? So these are the merits, advantages and disadvantages of using STDR. Now we shall see the problems on STDR. So here come the problems. So on top of it I have mentioned it, they are very, very important for 5 or 10 marks from exam viewpoint. Clear? So see here, compute STDRs in town A and B and find which town is healthier. So question, we have to compute STDRs for two different populations. Along with that, we have to decide which city is healthier. That also we have to find. See, the data is given. Age groups 0 to 10, 10 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. Town A population deaths are given, town B population deaths are given. See, town A population 4,000, 12,000, 6,000, 8,000 and deaths 36, 48, 60, 152. Town B 3,000, 20,000, 4,000, 3,000 and deaths 30, 100, 48 and 60. Along with that, one more column, standard population is given directly and separately. 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000. See, in this question, nowhere they have mentioned so and so town should be considered as standard population, because separate standard population is given in the column already, right? So let us consider this separate standard population is capital P. It is denoted by P. Now, first and foremost, what we need to do? Immediately we have to calculate ASDRs of individual towns, because ASDRs are required to calculate STDR, right? So ASDR you calculate for town A, you know the formula of ASDR. So for the first age group 0 to 10, always it is mandatory to show at the bottom one age group enough. One is more than enough. Remaining all directly in the column you can take it. Okay, so for 0 to 10, find out ASDR, number of deaths in specific age. 0 to 10 specific age, deaths is 36, divided by average population in that age group 4000, multiplied by 1000, you will be getting the value 9 for the first age group ASDR. Then remaining all directly in the column itself you can calculate it. See here. So standard population separately we have taken, which is given already here, the same we have taken here. P equals to 2000, 3000, 6000, 4000, that is a standard population. Find out the total first, 15,000. And then for the first age group we have shown at the bottom ASDRs. Remaining all directly you calculate deaths per population into 1000 individually. So 9, 4, 10, 19, right? First one 36 by 4000 into 1000, you get 9, that we have shown at the bottom. And the remaining 48 divided by 12,000 into 1000, you get 4. 60 divided by 6000 into 1000, you get 10. 152 divided by 8000 into 1000, you get 19, that is ASDR of A. Now as per the formula, summation PA by summation P. P we have taken as standard population weights, and then ASDR we calculated by using town A population and deaths. Find out PA, we need total of PA. Now P into A you multiply 2000 into 9, 18,000, 3000 into 4, 12,000, 6000 into 10, 60,000, 4000 into 19, 76,000. The total you get 1,66,000. The total PA. Weighted ASDRs, nothing but PA. Now find out, substitute in the formula STDR of A, summation PA by summation P, that means 1,66,000 divided by 15,000. Remember here you need not calculate multiplied by 1000, because already in ASDR we have done multiplied by 1000 and took all the ASDR values. Again for STDR it need not be. Summation PA by summation P. So the value you get 11.06 is the death rate of town A, standardized death rate of town A. Similarly for town B you calculate same ASDR of city B. The first one 30 divided by 3000 into 1000. If you look at the problem you will understand. 30 divided by 3000 into 1000, the value will be 10. So here I have taken ASDR of B 10. Remaining all directly you can calculate. 100 divided by 20,000 into 1000, 48 divided by 4000 into 1000, 60 divided by 3000 into 1000. You get all the ASDRs of B. And then P is common for both the population, standard population, that is 2000, 3000, 6000, 4000, that is the standard population. Now calculate PB. So the weighted ASDR of town B, that is P into B, multiply both. 10 into 2000 is 20,000 and so on. 20 into 4000 is 80,000. The total you will be getting 1,87,000. Now the same kind of formula, STDR of B, what it is? STDR of B equals to summation PB by summation P. 1,87,000 divided by 15,000, you get 12.46 is the value, right? Now STDR of A is 11.6 we have got, and STDR of B is 12.46 we have observed. Now among these two standardized death rates of two cities A and B, which is less? Of course standardized death rate of A. So STDR of A is less than STDR of B. What would we conclude? Which standardized death rate is less, minimum, that particular population death rate, that particular population has, is more healthier. Now STDR of A is less than B, obviously then A population is less than of B population death rate, right? So which population has less death rate, that population is more healthier. So standardized death rate of A is lesser than B, therefore A is more healthier. This is how we need to conclude. Am I clear? So this is the problem. So we shall see from the beginning. See, this is the question given. Two different populations along with the deaths of two towns are given, and then one more column, standardized population, is given separately. Generally, sometimes it will be asked separately, or in the question it will be mentioned, take town A as standard or town B as standard, that way. So ASDRs of first age group, you calculate it, and the remaining all in the column itself, and then find out PA. So substitute in the formula STDR of A, summation PA by summation P. You get 11.06, the town A STDR, and STDR ASDRs of town B, you calculate it. So that value you have got 12.46 after calculating. Now STDR of A population is less than STDR of B population. So which population has lesser rate, that population is more healthier. So this is how the conclusion has to be written. Clear? So I hope you understand this. Shall I go to the next one? Yes. So this is problem number 2. See, before explaining this question, I want to show you one small note. For finding STDR, we require ASDRs, right? A specific death rates. But sometimes in the question, ASDRs will be given directly. In what way it will be given? Just look at here. In the question, in the previous question, here deaths only are given, right? Now, for this we calculated ASDRs. But now, here deaths per thousand or death rate. So this way the wording will be given in the column. Deaths per thousand or death rate. When these two are given in the heading, definitely these values are nothing but ASDRs. Remember, you need not calculate again ASDR, because ASDRs are directly given, because already this death rate is given, deaths per thousand, already the bifurcation is done here. ASDRs are given directly. So, and then standard population is also given directly. Just calculate PA, PB, that's it, by keeping the two column headings, PA and PB, multiply. So remember this note, deaths alone, whenever they have asked, you have to calculate ASDRs with the concerned population. Death rate or deaths per thousand, when it is given, no, they are nothing but direct ASDRs are given. You need not calculate ASDR for finding STDR. See, standard population is also separately given. They did not mention which town is standard. Already they have given separate standard population. Just you need to do is, A is given, P is given. Just PA, PB. Multiply those two. PA, keep the heading 15,000 into 18, 35,000 into 10, 30,000 into 15, 20,000 into 20. Calculating all these, the total will become 14,70,000. Now PB, P into B. ASDRs of B are given directly. 20 into 15,000, 12 into 35,000, 18 into 30,000, 24 into 20,000. After calculating, you get the total 17,40,000. So PA and PB, both I have calculated the totals, because ASDR of A is given, ASDR of B is also given directly, because the heading, if you see, you can identify easily. Deaths per thousand or death rate, when it is given, these two are nothing but ASDRs. You need not calculate separate ASDRs again. This point, most of the students will commit error in the examination. Remember this. Only deaths, specifically when it is mentioned, you have to calculate ASDRs. If deaths per thousand or death rate, anything of that sort, if it is given, you need not calculate ASDRs separately. Just A, B along with P, PA, PB, these two totals you have to calculate it. Now, after calculating direct PA and PB, see that STDR of A and B. STDR of A, summation PA by summation P is 14,70,000 divided by 1 lakh. You get 14.7 is the death rate of city A, and 17,40,000 divided by 1 lakh, you get 17.4 is the standardized death rate of B. Now A is 14.7 and B is 17.4. Now which city has a lesser death rate? City A. Therefore standardized death rate of city A is less than standardized death rate of city B. Therefore A is more healthier. This is another way of solving STDR problem. The first problem, population deaths of two different towns they have given. You calculated ASDRs and then PA and then substituted in the formula. But this problem, already ASDRs are directly given and standard population is also given in the column. Just we have calculated PA and PB and then those totals substituted here. Based on that, we have decided town A is more healthier because town A STDR is lesser death rate than town B. Clear? So in the next video, I am going to continue the next problem. Thank you.